Bridget's 1974 FJ45, and this has been immaculately restored by you and your dad,
Yeah,
is that correct?
That's correct, yeah.
And so tell us a little bit about the vehicle. Where did you guys buy it? Like in what condition, and what's the story?
Okay, so I actually got told off the day that we went to look at it. Looked at it over the fence and it was a bucket.
Really?
It was a tub with an engine and gearbox. There was not another panel on the car.
Yeah.
It was winched onto a trailer. We picked it up in 12 Australia Post boxes worth of parts.
That's amazing.
It was a hard job putting it back together.
It's gorgeous.
It's taken us a year to the day.
Really?
We picked it up 1 year, and then the next year, on that day, it got taken to its first car show.
So good. So how long have you owned this vehicle?
Now we've owned it for 17 months.
Okay, all right. And it's a second car show?
This is the third one now.
Third one?
Yeah.
Cool. So this has got to be winning, surely. I mean, this is clean.
This is one of its kind, to say the least. The last few four-wheel drive shows I've been to, I haven't seen a 40 series there, so I've been a standout from the rest, I guess you could say.
Yeah, that's so good. Now, what type of restoration have you done with this? Is it like build it for comp truck type of thing? Obviously, it's not that, but you know.
Completely original.
Okay.
Original down to the heater taps, the washer bottles and the radiator. Running gear, brakes, everything is completely original.
And are you using this as a daily drive, or does it live in the shed?
This is, at the moment, it's living in the shed, but after today, I think we'll be taking it to the beach on the way home and
Come on.
having a bit of a go.
That's so good. Well, so what motor have we got in here?
We've got the original 2F inline 6.
And then you've obviously put a Holly carburetor on that. Is that what, just couldn't get parts for the original carby, or?
We decided to go with a Holly 500 just to give it a bit more oomph.
Yeah.
Because they don't have a hell of a lot, but it's done the job well and truly.
Well, it's an absolute credit to you and your dad. It's a beautiful example. It's so good to see these old girls getting restored and brought back to life. And how do you use this? Are you daily driving it?
No, not at the moment. This is the garage princess, as me and Dad call it. But after today, I think it'll be going on the sand and taking it for a bit of a run.
Beautiful. Well, you enjoy it. Thank you so much for restoring it and bringing it back to life. It's a beautiful example. We absolutely love it. All right, we'll catch you later, guys.
No worries. Thank you, and thanks to my dad for helping with the rebuild. Cheers.